Have you ever noticed that when you share your biggest plans or secrets with others goes wrong? Today, I'll tell you the real psychology behind why some secrets should never be shared and why keeping your mouth shut can change your life. Section 1. Why we love to share. Humans are wired to share. When something exciting happens, a new idea, a goal, or even a business plan, our brain releases dopamine when we tell others. It feels good. But here's the trap. Sharing too soon often destroys the very thing we're excited about. Example. Imagine you plan to start exercising every morning. You tell your friends, they praise you, and suddenly, you feel like you've already achieved it. Psychology calls this the intention to action gap. Your brain gets the reward without doing the hard work. Section 2. Not everyone wants you to win. Here's the harsh truth. Not everyone around you wants you to succeed. Some people may discourage you, mock you, or secretly hope you fail. When you overshare your secrets, you give others the power to plant doubt in your mind. Example. You tell a friend about your new business idea. Instead of support, they say, "That will never work." One small sentence, and suddenly you feel less confident. That's the danger of speaking too soon. Section 3. The power of silence. Great minds understood this long ago. Psychologists say that silence protects your focus. When you keep your goals and secrets to yourself, you create a safe space where motivation grows without outside interference. Story. Thomas Edison worked in silence on many of his inventions. He once said, "The value of an idea lies in the using of it." He didn't talk about his ideas, he worked on them until they became reality. Section 4. When to speak, when to stay silent. Of course, you can't stay silent forever. Here's a simple rule. If it's just a dream or a plan, keep it private. If it's halfway done, share only with trusted people who support you. If it's completed, then announce it proudly to the world. So remember this secret. Your silence is power. Not everyone deserves to know your plans, and not every dream should be spoken out loud. Protect your ideas. Protect your energy. Work in silence and let success make the noise.